Hey guys, I just want to share with you what are my dreams are. My dreams is I want to graduate college and to have a regular job. Actually, I want to be an actress, a soldier, and a model. Siguro ano ganito lang to. Hindi. Never to stay. Never to stay. Or maybe we can do each other happier. O baka dumaan lang tayo para bigyan ako ng buhay.